You guys, something has happened and I have to share it with you. I won a giveaway. Welcome to Shelly Saves the Day. On my channel, I do videos on life hacks, tech tips, and beauty videos. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, consider subscribing. You guys, I have to talk to you guys about Valentine's Day, okay? Valentine's Day came and rolled around, which is why I'm wearing, right? This is the dress that I wore on Valentine's night, so I had to wear this in honor of this video. You guys, I won a giveaway for Valentine's Day, and the thing is, I am so unlucky. Like, I am the person who always has their food not come out when everyone else's comes at the restaurant because they, like, forgot to make it or something happened. Not because my order is complicated, just because, like, that's my life. I don't know. I don't know why. It always happens to me. But, so I never win anything, and you guys, I won a giveaway, and not just that, but from a channel that I watch and I love, I won a giveaway from Madison Miller's channel, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited right now. This is so cool, so I have to share with you guys the stuff that she sent me. She was so sweet. Like, I was fangirling so hard. I was like, I have to send you a photo of us from Gen Beauty, and I have to give you, like, a photo of my dogs because I know you love your dogs too. Like, I don't even know where my head was at that moment. So Madison, if you didn't want to see pictures of my dog in email, I apologize. I am sorry. So you know how some channels, you know, once they get big enough, they do those huge PR unboxings? Well, my channel's not big enough to really have any of those unboxings. Like, I don't have any PR that's really sent to me except for this one box over here from Pixi, which, by the way, I love that liquid lipstick that was in there. It's so good. The only thing I don't really like is that the wand is a little bit like too flexible, but the colors are beautiful and I love them so much. So that's the only piece of PR that I've ever really gotten. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna treat my giveaway winnings as like my one time to do this huge unboxing for like PR. So I'm just really excited. I just want to share with you guys what I won in the giveaway just because I think it's so cool. I never win anything. It's seriously like, I never win anything. So this is just like one of my like moments. I'm just like, wow, all the stars align and it's like, ah. So I'm really excited about this. Just want to show you guys what I won in this giveaway. Big shout out to Madison Miller. Thank you so much. I don't know how you were selecting the winner and I don't even care. I'm just so happy that I won. So I just want to share with you what I got. So the first thing that was sent over, this was from Nails Inc. London. So in here there's a sheet mask. It says sparkle like a unicorn. How cute is that? This is a lip tripping iridescent lip strobe. Oh my gosh. And it's so pretty. It's like pink and purple all in it. I have like an eyeshadow that has like the same type of stuff, so that's really cool, and has two cute little mini nail polishes in there, so that was really cool. And the next thing is from NYX. It says glitter goals. It says yay new shapes inside with these 3 different colors of glitter. There's like pink and purple and a glitter glue, which is awesome. I'm so excited about that. Ooh, this is the Pure Quick Pro portables, and this is, let's see here. I'm too excited. I'm like literally ripping into them, even though somewhere around here I have scissors. Oh my gosh, these are so cute because these are perfect for traveling. This is the Quick Pro Portables Night Fantasy. And how do I open it? How do I open it? You can do this, Shelly. Ooh, okay. So check this out. So in here, it's got pretty like cranberry, neutral gold. Reminds me a lot of the colors like in the Modern Renaissance type palette. So, and I love that it's so small. This is so great. And then these are coordinating lip colors. This is so cute. I love how like thin they are for travel. This is probably the thing I was most excited about. I don't own this palette yet. I've wanted it for so long. This is the Tartelette in Bloom by Tarte. And oh, I'm so excited, you guys. I know that you may think like, oh, it's so boring. Like these colors are bright. This is exactly what I live for. I love these colors. So, oh, I am so excited about this. And like, look at this packaging. How pretty is that? Pinks and purples. Yes. Yes, please. Love everything about that. These are the Impress. You guys have been really nice to me and you've never really said anything, but like I keep my nails super short because like I also play guitar and different stuff like that. So I never really have beautiful nails like all the people on YouTube, and I'm always like, oh, sad about it. These are like the press-on nails that you can put on with like accents and everything's all like pretty and laid out. I love this type of stuff. So yes, this is so exciting. I'm very excited about that. Oh, this is from the Ava NYC, and it's a Main Magic 10-in-1 primer with argan oil and sunflower seed oil. So this is like a whole size, like this is a full size like spray too. I'm so excited for this. That's really cool. And the next thing in here is going to be the Sil Booster XL. This is a Lancome mascara. And then I got the Bonnie Dumanizer liquid highlighter from The Balm. The Balm makes one of my favorite highlighters ever. Mary Luminizer. And this, ooh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I would totally use this too as like an eyeshadow base. Oh, another thing from Pure, it's the Quick Pro Portables, and this is a contour highlight palette. These are such a good idea with how cute and portable they are for travel. Okay, so the first one, man, you could take all of these and be set. So this is more gonna be like contour, bronzing, highlighting. Ooh, I like that a lot. And then the next one is, oh, whoa, that's where you get your glow. Oh my gosh, these colors are to die for. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. Pure makes some really cool, I remember in a BoxyCharm I got it, but it had like this like, it was a blush that had like a brush on one side and it was like a cheek stain like in a little tube on the other. It was so cool. So this is the Vava Plump, oh, from Buxom. I have to say I love Buxom products. Like I have an entire, I buy every year the little mini Christmas set that they have. Oh, it's so good. This is the Wine Me color. Oh, I'm so excited. Ooh, and that is a really pretty like, oh, berry color. This is insane. Look at this container, but this is like an iridescent. How cool is this? And this is from Incredible. So this entire thing is lip products. How cool is that? And some are like shimmery and iridescent, and some are like just matte colors. Oh my gosh, there's even like a teal green in here. This is so cool. So I'm really excited to go through all of these. And then the next thing, I was really excited about this one too. This is from Too Faced. This is the Sweetie Pie, and this is the bronzer that has the little lattice across the top, and it's got like some little gold in there, so it's like so pretty. It looks like a little pie that was baked, and like, ugh, this packaging is to die for. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Next up in here is the Purely Blue Lotus Seed Mud Mask, and this is so great. I have this stuff myself, and it's so great to have an extra one of this, but this is a 10-minute kind of like mud mask that has the little exfoliating beads in there, and when you're done with it, your skin feels so amazing, and it doesn't irritate my skin or make it like have any kind of reaction, which is great. So for people out there who have sensitive skin, you might want to check out Purely's. They've got some really great products, including like a CC cream that they call it the CC Moist Cream, which I've even done a Foundation Friday on, which, by the way, I'm pretty sure Foundation Friday, maybe not every Friday, but it's coming back. It's coming back. I still have some that I need to do, so I'm really excited for that to come back. And then the next up is this cute little makeup bag. Oh my gosh, it's kind of got like a darker color inside. It's really pretty. I love this. And it's super soft and squishy too. I like that. And then the next thing, I was super excited about this when I saw it. It's also from Pure. It's from the My Little Pony collection, collector's set. But these were the rainbow brushes that came out. How cute are these? And oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these because they felt like they were gonna be, oh, they're so soft. I can never have enough brushes. I don't know what it is. And I know, who did I hear the other day that had the best idea? If you have a whole bunch of brushes, you get them together and then you rotate them out in sets if they're like similar in size. So then you always have a clean one, and then you have like some dirty ones that you can wash, and then you just rotate them. Is that not the best idea ever? It's like, oh my gosh, it's brilliant. But anyways, these brushes, I'm so excited. These like handles are like metallic. They say Pure on them, and I think they say My Little Pony as well. Yeah, My Little Pony, the movie. These are so cute. I love this. I love this. Okay. And there's one last thing in here. It is the Smashbox Always On Metallic Lip Paint. And I'm so excited about this one because it's got that pink shimmery iridescent color. Oh my gosh, are you ready? Yes, and it's like the deep raspberry color, and it has the metallic little flakes in there. I'm really excited about this. This color is called, yeah, Always On. So that's everything that I won in the giveaway. Again, special thanks to Madison Miller and choosing me to be the winner. I was so excited about that. Now I can finally say, yes, I know exactly how you guys feel when you guys get to win a giveaway. I just, like, I feel giddy inside and happy. So special thanks to Madison Miller. Thank you so much for choosing me for the winner of your giveaway. Again, it was just so much fun to be part of it, and I'm just so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got in my package in the giveaway from Madison Miller on Valentine's Day. As always, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Would love to see you be part of the Shelly squad. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'll talk to you later. Bye, guys!